The Supreme Court has been informed that 9,400 WhatsApp accounts linked to digital arrest scams have been banned following a nationwide probe. The update was submitted by the Union government in a suo motu case on online frauds. Attorney General R. Venkataramani, representing the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, told the court that the action followed a targeted investigation launched in January 2026. According to the report, while only 17 accounts were directly flagged for digital arrest scams, WhatsApp expanded its probe to identify entire networks, leading to a total of 9,400 bans. Authorities said many such operations originate from centers in Southeast Asia, particularly Cambodia. The center informed the bench that telecom operators are working to block suspicious SIM cards within 2 to 3 hours, while a biometric verification system for SIM issuance is under development and may be ready by December 2026. The court, led by Chief Justice Surya Kant, had earlier directed agencies, including the RBI and the Department of Telecommunications, to develop a framework for victim compensation and prevention. The RBI has also proposed compensation norms under which victims may receive up to 85% of losses or 25,000 rupees, whichever is lower in smaller fraud cases. Compensation limits under the Ombudsman scheme will increase to 30 lakh rupees for financial loss and 3 lakh rupees for mental harassment from July 1, 2026. The court had taken suo motu cognizance in October 2025 after a senior citizen couple lost 1.5 crore rupees in a scam involving impersonation of law enforcement agencies. Since then, the CBI has been probing multiple cases, including one involving a loss of over 22.92 crore rupees. Officials noted that nearly 80 to 82% of mule accounts used in such frauds remain active for less than a day, highlighting the need for faster interventions.